City and Cotabato City.
So now let us proceed to the first natural attraction in Albay, which is Mayon Volcano. Mayon Volcano is also known as Mount Mayon. It is famous around the world for its perfect cone shape. Mayon considered one of the most active volcanoes in the Philippines, and the last confirmed eruption occurred on July 18, 2024, and have a more than 50 recorded eruption in history.
Our second natural attraction is Disinglang Lake. It is a peaceful and scenic ecotourism spot located in Camalig, Albay. It is not far from Mayon Volcano. This lake is also known for its calm water and its beautiful view of Mayon in the background.
So now let us proceed to the first man-made attraction in Albay. The Cagsawaruwen are the remains of old Franciscan church that was destroyed during the violent eruption of Volcan Mayon in 1814. Only the church stands today, serving as the powerful reminder of a past and a strength of Albaleño people.
Our next destination is General Simeon Alam Monument. It is to honor General Simeon Alam, a proud son of Albay and one of the bravest Filipino revolutionaries during the Filipino-American War. He is also known as the last general to surrender to American forces. First, let's begin with Dinangat, a traditional Bicolano dish made from taro leaves, coconut milk, chili, and a flavorful mix of spices. It is slowly cooked until the leaves become soft and the creamy sauce becomes rich and aromatic. Dinangat is the perfect example of Albay's love for spicy and coconut-based dishes.
Next, we have Bicol Express. It is a spicy coconut milk-based dish from a Bicol region, and its name is linked to Albay because its name is inspired by the railway train that ran to Manila to Albay. So now let's talk about the main source of living in Albay, which is agricultural and tourism. Albay known for its fertile land and rich natural resources, making agriculture one of its stronger economic foundation. Many Albayanos rely on farming for their daily livelihood. The province produces crops such as rice, coconut, abaca, vegetable, and root crops. In fact, Albay is known for its high-quality abaca fiber, which is exported and used in making ropes, handicraft, and specialty paper. Fishing is also a major source of income for coastal community, providing fresh seafood for local market. So now let us proceed to the festival, which is the Magayon Festival. Is one of the grandest and most meaningful celebrations in Albay. It is held every April and it's inspired by the legendary love story of Daragang and Magayon, whose tragic tale is said to have formed the majestic Mayon volcano. And inspired here in Nasbu, Batangas, they annually celebrate too, and call the festival Fiesta de los Toros. When it comes to tourism, I believe that province holds a unique beauty that city cannot match. Province often offer peaceful landscape, fresh air, and a slower pace of life that give visitor a break from a crowded people and a busy routine. I think tourism helps people appreciate the natural environment and cultural identity. It encourages us to protect historical sites, natural wonders, and a local tradition because we see begin their value.